Hi girls, today I'm going to start the fourth unit, structures in C. So what is called structures in C? Structure means a group of variables of different data types that share a common name is called a structures. Structure is a contrast to arrays in C. Array is a group of variables that share a common name, but here structure is a group of variables of different data types that share a common name. That is called structures in C. So let's go into the topic. What is a structure? A structure is a collection of related variables. It may contain variables of many different data types in contrast to arrays. So this is the difference between the array and the structure. So array is a collection of homogeneous data, but structure is the collection of heterogeneous data. Array data are accessed using index. Structure elements are accessed using dot operator. Array allocates static memory, structure allocates dynamic memory. And then finally, array elements access takes less time than structures. Structure elements take more time than array. So the main difference is the array is a collection of homogeneous data, that is, array is a group of variables of same data type that share a common name. Structure is a collection of heterogeneous data type, means structure is a collection of variables of different data types that share a common name. So this is the syntax of the structure. Here struct is the keyword. Here the struct is the keyword. This is the tag name, that is the structure name. And then open the curly brace. Within the curly brace, these are all the members of the structure, not the variable. This is like the variable declaration, but in structure, these are all called the members of the structures, not the structure variable. After this curly brace is closed, you have to give the semicolon, that is the end of the statement. After that semicolon, you can initialize the structure variables in C. So this is the definition of structure. Once again, the syntax: struct is the keyword, and then structure name, and then open the curly brace, and then the data type and the member variable too, like that you can add any number of variables or within the curly brace, and then close the bracket and end it with the semicolon. Once structure name is declared as a new data type, then variables of the type can be declared as this is the syntax for defining the structure variable. Once again, I repeat this. This is not within the curly brace. This is the member variable, not the structure of variable of structure. After this curly brace, you have to put a semicolon. After that, you will declare the structure variable. The syntax of structure variable declaration is noted here. Struct, and then the structure name, and then the structure variable. Okay. So this is the example of structure declaration. Struct is the keyword, student is the structure name, and then within the curly brace, these are all the member variables. You can see that here the variables are name, roll number, marks, gender, and phone number. Name is in the data type character, roll number is in the data type integer, marks in float type, gender in character type, and phone number in long type. So these are all structure. You can see that structure is a group of variable of different data type that share a common name. Okay, so this is the after this curly brace is closed, this is the semicolon for the end of the structure definition, and then here the structure variable is declared here. Struct is the keyword, structure name is the student, and then the st is the variable of the structure. Okay, multiple variables of structure student can be declared as struct student st1, st2, st3. For the one structure student, you can define any number of variables in structure. So accessing structure members. How the structure members are accessed here or using the dot operator. How the array variables are accessed in C are by using the index. Like for example, if you declare a variable an integer a of 10, there are the 10, the size of the array is 10. That means a of 1, a of 2, a of 3, up to a of 9. So the index will vary in the array. So by using the index or subscript, you can give input and retrieve data from the array. But in structure, how the members are accessed or by using the dot operator. Okay. Structured members can be accessed and assigned values in number of ways. Structured member has no meaning independently. In order to assign a value to the structure member, the member name must be linked with the structure variable using dot operator. Once again, I repeat this. If you want to give input to the members of the structure, the member name must be linked with the structure variable using dot operator. It is also called as period or member access operator. Here in C, dot is called the member access operator because the variables declared within the structure, that means the curly braces are called the members of the structures. So this is called a member access operator is dot. So this is the example for declaring structure variable and structure. Struct is the keyword, employee is the structure name. Within this structure, three different data types are declared: ID number, name and salary. ID number in integer type, name in the character type, salary in the float type. And then the structure is closed with the semicolon. Inside the main function, the structure variable is declared here. This is the members of the structure. This is the variable declared here inside the main function. Struct is the keyword, the employee, this is the structure name or tag name. So here use this structure name, and then these are the variables for that structure employee. Employee 1, employee 2, employee 3. So if you want to access an input, if you want to give input or print the structure members, you can use this dot operator. Part 1 is the structure variable, number is the member of the structure. For example, in this example, if you want to give input to this name, how you give the input means st dot name, st dot roll number, st dot marks, st dot gender. Okay, st is the structure variable, dot is the member access operator, name is the member of the structure. Okay, like that you can give input to the structure variable. In my next video, I will post you the basic information about the structure and how you use the member access operator in a program in my next video. Okay, so this is the concept of the structure. In this video, I just give you the introduction about the structure and how you define and how you access the member variable. I will give you the detailed program in my next video. Thank you, folks.